What is the difference between a property damage claim and a personal injury claim for anybody, any injured victim who is bringing a serious injury car accident case in the state of Maryland? What the injured victim needs to understand is that the personal injury claim and the property damage claim are two distinct things. The property damage claim relates solely to any repairs needed to the injured victim's damaged motor vehicle, payment if the vehicle is totaled, or payment for rental car services while the injured victim is repairing their car or getting a new car. This is distinctly different from the personal injury claim, which is what myself and other personal injury lawyers in Maryland represent injured victims for. The personal injury claim is solely for compensating the injured victim for medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering they'd endured from their injuries from the car accident they were involved in. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury car accident claim in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law.